Yes, Hope Uzodinma has woken up, at least for the late hour of his regime. He want to start to reason like a human being. The other time he invited the military to the Imo state just because of IPOB or no IPOB. He forgot and he left the substance. He started to chase shadow. Over 7 oil companies suck their oil from the Imo State oil reservoir or oil wells owned by the Imo State people. Over 7 of them. They laid pipe from Imo State before. Okay, even now, pipe as well was laid from rivers, Bayelsa, and other places where they have oil. Now they have channeled to Imo State. That is why you see they put military everywhere to protect what they are stealing and protect the pipes they were laying. We all know all this nonsense. So Lagos has gained a lot from other regions, from the resources from other regions. Nobody has gained nothing from Lagos, only to collect from Lagos. How can oil companies that suck oil from Imo State have their headquarters situated in Lagos? And Lagosians, according to them, the Yorubas, they keep ranting, making hell of noise that Lagos belongs to them, while Lagos is being funded by the other tribes. Do you get the point? So Hope Uzodinma now said that every oil company that is existing in Imo that currently do business with Imo State should have an address, and that means they should have their headquarters in Lagos. You cannot suck oil in Imo State and you pay tax in Lagos. Lagos has no oil. That is the truth. The only oil Lagos has at this moment is National Port Authority, where the Igbo businesses are situated and where Igbo containers land on a daily basis. And this is the reason why federal government of the Fulani, federal government of the Yoruba, government of Fulani and government of Yorubas, they don't want to hear that there is seaport in Igbo land. Do you get the point? So if Hope Uzodinma has woken up, we will support him. Do you get what I'm saying? We will support him. You cannot be sucking our oil and you pay tax in Lagos. To hell with Lagos. That's what I said. I will always protect myself before any other place. The gold that is coming from Zamfara, we don't hear nothing about it. Californium that is coming from Borno, we hear nothing about it. Okay, the food, the general food that comes from the north, we don't hear nothing about it. They can't continue to suck our oil, and when we talk marginalization, they see us as we are stupid. They see us when we talk marginalization. They think that we are stupid. Okay, the Igbos said, if you want to marginalize us, we want to go our ways. And federal government of Nigeria insisted that we must be one because of the oil they are sucking from our lands. That is the reason why they want one Nigeria. But I'm going to tell them something. Hope Uzodinma, if you have woken up, when you are playing politics, you play politics that will favor you, not politics that will put you in danger. When I mean you, your people, you have relatives, you have what we call umunna, and they are the custodians of your land. So if you are playing your dirty politics, you want to marry somebody from the north, you want to make friends across the Niger, that is your personal business. You can do it with your personal company, not taxpayers' money, not resources that is owned by the indigenes, by the people. If the Lagosians want to play by indigenes, we can play better. And they know it. They know all this nonsense they have been doing. Just that our people, I want to mention Hope Uzodinma. Our people, I want to mention Soludo and others. They have refused to reason with their head. Instead, they continued to reason with their anus. My friend, you have to mind yourself. They say charity begins at home. No one should come and take your resources and go and develop other places. It is not done. If that's the way you guys want to play your politics, this is what is called dirty politics, and it's never going to work. Even though it is working now, it's just but a moment. It is for a moment. And let me tell you, if you guys continue to do like this, a time shall come, your families will be wiped out, because it's very, very obvious that you guys have done nothing to benefit your people, even though that you are given the mantle to handle the resources of the state. This is what is going on. It is a good move that you have made. Those oil companies, they should come and build their headquarters and pay their tax in Imo State. Anything short of that, they will be blocked from doing business in Imo State. And that is the way it should be done. Hope Uzodinma, nobody is fighting you. If Bola Ahmed Tinubu is your friend, you have every right to go and welcome him when he's coming back from France or from UK. You can as well leave your job and go and bid him farewell for where he's going. Maybe he's traveling, going on vacation because you don't have a job. You understand? I understand that it is a politics, APC politics. We understand everything. But it is very, very untold. It is very, very uncalled for you to leave your state, for you to leave your duties. And what you should be doing is to go and tell an old man, bye-bye for going vacation. That is very stupid of all of you that have done that. I don't give a damn who you guys are. But what I'm going to tell you is that it is very stupid of you guys. When he's coming back, you go and welcome him. When he's going, you go and say goodbye. That is stupidity to the highest level. And that is why he will have that chance to tell you to cheat on your people in your own state, in your own vicinity. Hope Uzodinma, your own village, your people. You don't reason and know what is right and what is wrong. That seat you are occupying today, it is not forever. It is just for a meantime, for a moment. So reason within your head and do what is correct. Do what is right. They should have their headquarters and pay their tax. If they want to dash money to Lagos, it's their problem. Enough is enough. Even the National Port Authority that has been in Lagos, by now should have been shifted. They should have shifted it to other places. If you check the amount of containers going to the east, that should have make federal government to know that these people are suffering. Create a workable port authority, functional one, international one for that matter. There are waters everywhere. There are waters. It can be done, but they blatantly refuse to do it, which means they are suffering your people. And you are watching, your people are being suffered. You went to school in your vicinity, in your village, in your town. You grew up as an Igbo man. What has happened to you? What is the problem? What amount of money are you looking for that you have not gotten? Why can't you leave a clean legacy and do what is right for you to be remembered by your people? The Yorubas will never remember you. The North will never remember you. But your people will always remember you. Look at Mazi Sam Mbakwe. He is being remembered even till tomorrow. Even children that were not born when he was ruling, they still remember him. Why can't you people learn something from what has happened to some people in the past? All you do is to pack money. You pack money. How much money can you keep? How much money can you use? How much money can your children use? You don't think about all these things. I don't want to overflog this matter. Every oil company operating in Imo State should have headquarters in Imo State and desist from paying any tax in Lagos in the name of that business. Otherwise, all the pipes will be blocked and there will be no business. It doesn't matter what happened to Nigeria. Nigeria is already in a shambles. That is the truth, and that must be done. It is done. This is exactly what will happen. I rest my case.